All right, y'all, I have my Ipsy Glam bag. This is the goodies we got for October. Theme is Halloween. Love it. Let's get on into this bag and see what we got. This is the bag for the month. I love the design. It's giving very like Spider-Woman, right? First up from First Aid Beauty, we have this calamine pore purging mud mask. I don't know why I added mud, but I'm definitely happy to see this. First Aid Beauty is a hitter and I love it. Next up from Kapari, we have this Ultra Restore Body Butter. I wash my hands constantly, guys, and I definitely can use this. Excited to see it. From Bare Minerals, we have this Maxi Mist Volumizing Mascara. Look at that wand. Girl, you know your lash is going to be popping with this. From YC Connection, this beautiful brush. Bristles are soft. Definitely will use this to set under my eyes. And last up from Basic Beauty, this Fall For You lipstick. All right, guys, we're back with part 2. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. I received this in PR. We got some goodies. Let's just get right on into it. First up is the Dew of God's Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. You get 10 pads in here, well, 10 sets. Very excited for this. And then we have the Dr. Brandt Facial Cleanser, 3.5 ounces of product. Definitely going to give this a try. From KVD, this tattoo pencil liner. This is a gel liner, guys, in the shade Verdetta Green. This is it swatched out on my hand. I'm just happy that it's not black, even though it looks like it. The product that I'm most excited for is the Fenty Gloss Bomb Heat in the shade Hot Cherry. This is it swatched out on my hand. Look at that glossy juiciness. Love it. And then last but not least, from Elman Beauty, this True Nude Palette. It is gorgeous. They're looking a little green on camera, but it's actually a neutral brown palette, guys. Beautiful, love it. These are some of the shades swatched out on my hands right here. Love it, beautiful. And this is a Glam Bag Plus for the month of October. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and let me know if you tried any of these products. See you guys in the next one. Bye.